How do you tell a story without a single cut? In this video, we dive into the genius cinematography of adolescence, a one-take wonder that places you right in the emotional furnace and never lets you blink. One-shot film is not new, but they're always ambitious. Think Russian Ark shot entirely in one 96-minute take through a Russian palace, or Birdman, which mimicked a single take to explore a crumbling ego. And 1917, where war was made personal through continuous camera flow. But what makes adolescence different? Cinematographer Matthew Lewis chose the DJI Ronin 4D camera, known for its advanced 4-axis stabilization. This allowed the camera to glide smoothly through tight corridors, kitchen corners, and dining areas without a single shake. He paired it with Cooke SP3 full-frame lenses, giving the film a soft cinematic texture. What are the boldest moments? The camera moves from the operator's hands to a drone, and then back again, all in a single continuous motion. What are the unique cinematography features in adolescence? True one-shot format, no stitching. Each episode was captured in one uninterrupted shot. No invisible edits or stitched occurred. Basically, this added to the raw, real-time experience of the unfolding narrative. The scenes were filmed in the order they appear, enhancing narrative realism and performance continuity. The story unfolds minute by minute, heightening tension and immersing the viewer in Jamie's perspective. To avoid nausea and a documentary feel, especially for 4-hour shoots, the team rejected handheld camera work. Stability was prioritized. The Ronin 4D gimbal was chosen for its compactness, balance, and adaptability. Handheld drone ready, allowed smooth transitions and could be passed between operators during takes. Camera movement was precisely mapped out and rehearsed with actors likened to a dance routine. This applied even to boom operators and assistants who moved in sync with the camera. Real homes and sets like a studio-built police station were carefully connected in geography and movement flow. A location in South Kirkby, Yorkshire was chosen to fit the transition needs. Real students from the school acted in the episode, guided by assistant directors posing as teachers. 10 to 12 signal receivers ensured stable video feed throughout the large school area. A special rig was built for a nearly stationary yet fluid movement around a table during an intense interrogation scene in episode 3. Subtle movements and micro-actions like sipping water or emotional shifts were highlighted perfectly. Manual and autofocus had to be used creatively during intense emotional moments to avoid the technical mishaps, like the focus motor losing sync or gimbal errors, meant entire takes had to be redone. Minimal VFX was used, like transitioning through a window in a school scene. No visual effects were used to stitch shots together, preserving the integrity of the single-take format. To make everything works perfectly, Lewis and director Philip Barantini mapped every move before. They rehearsed endlessly, like stage actors preparing for opening night. Every cue, camera, light, line, background, action had to hit its mark. With Adolescence, cinematographer Matthew Lewis doesn't just point a camera, he performs with it. And in doing so, he shows us that true cinematography is not about showing, it's about feeling, planning, and performing with heart and soul.